We're at the Power Creek Dam right here. You see it's a rubber inflatable dam. And right now we're running at a load of 5.3 megawatts. It's 100% hydropower. We're not using any diesel.
Interns are fun because they come in some ways not knowing anything. So it's fresh mind, fresh set of eyes. And in the case of the intern this year, a double major. So we're pretty lucky, the best of both. We get computer engineer and electrical engineer. And quite frankly, that's an area where CEC might be a little bit weak in. So what we're hoping to teach Kurt and Kurt teach us is, we want him to know about microgrids. Like we're a completely isolated microgrid. We have hydro and diesel generation. His particular interest is in controls and automation and SCADA, which is what we do every day. And we've recently had some pretty cool integration stuff that he's been able to be a part of. So we want to fill his mind full of all the fun stuff and see what his future holds. And in return, we want to rack his brain kind of what the latest and greatest, what they're teaching in college, what's important, because we've all been out of it for so long.
I'm a dual major, so I'm computer engineering and electrical engineering. So I was more wanting to get to know what sort of opportunities are available within the state and what the industry sort of revolves around, some of the challenges involved.
ACEP's been able to model a lot of data and tell us what we don't know about our own stuff, our own data. And Kurt's been helping out with that a lot, some of the data analytics. So we're gonna keep pushing a lot of that his way.
I'm from Anchorage originally, and so moving to Cordova, it wasn't too much of a stretch. It's obviously more rural. It's less urban, and it's a really nice place because you're right next to nature, and there's a lot of activities to do related to like fishing, hunting. Just recently, we caught like a bunch of black rockfish, and that was really cool. I think what I really needed, and the reason why I applied for the internship, was more practical experience and more on-the-ground knowledge rather than the theoretical background, which is important. But equally as important, I think, is learning the dynamic of how you function in a team setting and within an organization, as well as the pace of work, the attitude or stances required to get things done within a rural cooperative such as this one. I think that was a really valuable experience.